I got me a new table saw because my other one quit. The gear stripped out on it. This is a Rockwell, Delta Rockwell. It's a good one. It's got a cast iron table on it. It's kind of small. It's a 7 1/4 inch blade, but I think that's all the bigger I need. And this one over here, made out of plastic, everything on it except for the table's aluminum. The gear stripped out on it. I didn't get very many cuts out of it. It's called a tradesman. Everything's plastic. All the little handles you screw it with. Oh, I don't know. I'll probably just use it for a table now. Anyway, this one here is everything is either pot metal or iron, cast iron. I just love it. I've been oiling it up. Look at the size of the motor on this thing. And this motor can be wired for either 220 or 110. I just love it. It's awesome. Well, I'm gonna cut y'all off. I've been oiling it a little bit. The guy that sold it to me told me to use a scratch pad on top, but everything looked like it needed oil to me. Probably won't use it. I'll try to wipe the oil all off after that. Thanks for watching.